guys! In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your Arduino into an oscilloscope. So what you want to do is you want to go into your Arduino IDE, you want to go into File, Examples, and then Basics, and then Analog Read Serial. After you do Analog Read Serial, this would show up. So after you plug in your Arduino, mine's not plugged in right now, so stuff like this would come up. So what you want to do is you want to take in your potentiometer, you want to take the middle pin and put it into AO. After you put it into AO, take the outside pins and put one of them into 5 volts and the other one into ground. It doesn't really matter which one. You just need to put one of the outside ones in those pins. After you do that, you just want to go here to this arrow and press upload. And then you want to send it to your Arduino. My Arduino isn't even plugged in, so it's going to have some trouble trying to even get it to there. So it's going to show some message here. So after it's all done and you've sent it to your Arduino, you want to go into Tools. And you can see that this showed up because it can't find the Arduino. So you want to go into Serial Monitor, and then since my Arduino isn't even there, the Arduino cannot send the data into the computer, so that's why it's showing up. But if you do have it plugged in, you're gonna see another window, and if you twist the Arduino, you're gonna see it's gonna be going like this, and there'll be lots and lots of numbers just going across. And then what you want to do is you want to delete that window and do Serial Plotter. And then what will happen is you'll have more of it wavy, it's going to be wavy instead of numbers just going across. So then that's how you make your own oscilloscope. And if you have any questions, make sure to write them in the comments. I'll reply to them. I'll reply to all your comments. So if you have any questions, make sure to write it in the comments, and make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Bye!